Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exams. So today we are come up with a new topic, that is most effective games and apps to learn to type fast. Computers, tablets and many other devices had for sure taken over the traditional writing methods. Nowadays it is more strange to use a paper based planner than a digital list. We type a lot of information into our gadgets every day: emails, essays, lectures, shopping list, and even simple text messages. It may take a lot of time to negotiate something in a messenger, especially when you don't type that fast. You also may have ordered your essay online from websites like cheappaperwriting.com in the past, but only because you realized you won't be able to type all that in a short amount of time, or may have done other unpleasant things just because you did not learn to type fast earlier. Latest researchers have shown that an average person these days spends approximately 3 hours typing per day for work reasons, personal messages, social media, etc. This is a lot of time even for a day, but that sums into 45 days in a year. 45 days just typing. A lot more than an average vacation, and quite an amount of time you would rather spend with your family or enjoying your hobby. That's why you need to learn typing faster. Even if you type only 20% faster, you will save 213 hours per year for yourself. Only slight improvement will save you 9 whole days, and you do not need to stop perfecting. Typing fast is also crucial for many areas of your life. After you learn how to type faster, you will complete your assignments faster, work more efficiently and more effectively, and just save a lot of time solely for yourself. Typing is a skill, and like every other skill, it takes time to master it. You have to practice to fully achieve the skill of blind typing, or even to improve your speed. It does not have to be a boring lecture or retyping a book for hours. Thankfully, we live in a modern world where many fun ways to learn are invented: games, apps, easy learning methods, everything you want for your improvement. The only thing you have to do is to find a digital feature that will work for you personally. Some games might seem boring or childish, but when you find an optimal app, you will never postpone mastering your typing skills anymore. So let's find out what are the internet has to offer for learning to text faster. So what are some of the best games to learn to type faster? The first one is Jet Type Space Invaders Meet Websiter. A good old style space game that brings a lot of nostalgia and learns you a useful skill at the same time. What can be better? This game is based on older one which allowed you to shoot colorful aliens on your screen, but it is improved and now you have to kill stages instead of aliens. And you don't have to shoot, you simply type a word and you clear a stage. If it don't fit in time, the world explodes and you have to start over. The words are getting more complex with every level. You would not even notice how fast you will improve your typing. And the second one is Epistory Typing Chronicles. This is not a free game, but it is worth every cent you will spend. It is a really high quality game which is designed quite good and has a decent plot. This game is a mix of action and adventure with cute main characters in the fictional magic world. You have to complete tasks to fight the enemies. Enemies are words that you have to combat as they interfere with your learning. It is an ideal option for someone who likes games and does not like the academic pressure of mastering a skill in a boring way. It really helps to improve the speed of your typing and is generally an interesting game to spend your time on. The third one is daily code typing. Do you want to improve your typing speed and learn something new at the same time? This awesome game will help you with that. You will learn a lot of inspirational words from famous people. By typing these codes, you will learn to text faster as well as remember many great words that will stick with you, may someday even help with your essay. And what are some of the best apps to learn to type faster? In this session, the first one is most dangerous writing app. This website works like a text editor, with the only exception if you don't type anything in 5 seconds, all of your text will disappear. This is a slightly cruel way to learn, but it is a quite effective. You can set a timer for yourself for 3 to 20 minutes and try to work on a text, script, or anything important for you. You can't copy and paste until the timer runs out. This app is also useful for battling your procrastination as well as for improving your typing speed. An app also has a made where only the first letter of the word is displayed and on the screen while you are still typing, so you can't correct the mistakes. Try it and try to not be frustrated. The second one is Tap Typing Trainer, a useful app for your phone to imitate typing on a computer. You are not always on your laptop. We spend a significant amount of time on the transport at work or simply waiting in a queue. You don't want to just lose the time, so download this app and improve your typing skills. This app shows your daily stats, compares them with others, uses, and has various advanced modes. Also, it shows a map of your taps as you can detect your mistakes. And the last and the final one is the typing cat. This is another way to master two skills at once. This app teaches you how to type codes, which is a highly useful skill nowadays, even if you are not an IT developer. It has regular typing courses as well, but is way more challenging to learn two things at a time. Plus, when you are typing the code and not the words, it affects your muscular memory. By mastering your muscular memory, you will learn how to blindly type, which is the highest level of typing. And maybe you will be interested in coding after. Either you are using games, apps, or self training in speed typing. Don't forget the most important thing is your own motivation and the time you dedicate to mastering a particular skill. Be consistent and patient with yourself, and you will be see the improvement really soon. Hope if this section will help you to find the best apps and games to learn speed and how to learn speed of the typing and some idea about the most effective games and apps. Thank you.